Hello everyone, my name is Ron from Ron Gibson Properties, and today I'm at this fabulous one-bedroom end-of-terrace property. Really lovely home. Also vacant possession as well. The house is now empty and offers really good accommodation as well. So if you're looking to get on the market, a perfect home or as an investment, and also you have got a parking space at the front of the property. Also, the front garden here is all belonging to you. And if I just actually turn around here, you've got that little area there. You can put your bins, but really nice to have your own private garden as well. The accommodation. So as we come into the entrance, you've got a really useful little storage cupboard here as well, which is really handy. And then as we come into the property, excuse me, let's just get in here. And if I just shut the door here, there you go, and take my shoes off because I am house trained. We have got the living space. So first of all, if I just open, up here, you've got the fuse boards there, so all checked because the property has been rented out. So there is electrical certificates and there is gas into the road, but at the moment this property doesn't have it, but you have got the potential if you wanted to take out the storage heaters, put gas in, there is that potential. All you have to do is contact British Gas. So kitchen, you've got a decent sized kitchen as well, actually, for a one bed flat. And what I say, one bed flat, one bed house. But what I really love is the fact it's not all open plan. It's actually quite nice to have the kitchen separate. So you've got your space and plumbing in there for a washing machine. Then you've got space for an under counter fridge freezer. And then your oven, electric oven, and electric hob as well. So all double glazed as well, which is great. And then you've got this open plan living space, which useful because that hasn't been closed up. If I just go to the understairs. So as the previous owner did, or the tenant, sorry, they actually had a little fridge freezer in there, a nice sideboard as well, had shoe rack there as well. So plenty of space. And they said it's been fantastic for them as a couple. But obviously they've moved on now, but it just shows what great potential for rent. So rental, you're looking at about 1,000 to 1,050 per calendar month. So decent return there as well. However, as a first time home, this is absolutely perfect. Or if you just want a foothold in the UK and you're traveling, then again, this is a great place you can just easily manage and then come back to. So you've got a nice patio door leading out to your front garden. Just there, nice big open space, as I say. And what I love about this is it's bright and airy as well. And that's why I know the current owner bought this place when they lived here, because for that reason. And also when you think compared to a one bed flat, where you've got all your maintenance costs, your lease agreements, you don't actually really own it full time. Well, you do, but for 120 odd years. Mind you, then again, we haven't got pills for 120 years, so I'm probably rambling on. But what I'm trying to say is this is freehold as well, which is really decent. So coming up the stairs. And yes, you may want to, of course, do your own decoration. The owner is aware of that. But certainly something you could straight away come in and live. And then you've got the bedroom. So open plan bedroom, which being a one bed doesn't matter. I mean, if you wanted to, you could probably box that in, but it would make it darker. I think it's quite nice having the natural light flowing through the whole house. So the bedroom here, double glazed, looking out the front. And if I just try and open with my finger there, the cupboard, there you go. So really nice, deep overstairs cupboard, useful little wardrobe space. But considering this is a one bed, you've got your loft space as well. And, not doing the best job there. And then you've got the hot water tank hiding behind that curtain, but you've got all of this wardrobe space as well. So loads of storage. So that is a huge big push here, because again, on a one bed flat, you certainly wouldn't be potentially having loft space, and you certainly wouldn't be having all the wardrobes and cupboards. And then the bathroom, you don't just have a shower, you've got the shower over, but you have also got your panel bath toilet and wash hand basin as well, with a nice vanity unit and nicely tiled as well. So really, really lovely little property this, and I have to say, as an investment, I think it's perfect. Uckfield is up and coming as an area. It's if you like your rugby, you are literally a 2-minute walk away from Uckfield Rugby Club. So if you have any connections to Uckfield Rugby, then you are within very short walking distance. But also, not just that, you are walking distance into town. So if you commute to London, then again, it's really convenient from that point, because you can just go walking up the road and into town. And the train service takes you about just over an hour into London Bridge from Uckfield. So again, a decent train service as well. Never mind all the other facilities and amenities that Uckfield has to offer, including obviously leisure centre, which again is within walking distance of the property, and there's little shops you can walk up to. There's a Tesco, a small one. You've got the big one in town, but the little one just up the road from here. So if you do forget any of your shopping, you can always nip up the road and get something. But having parking, again, if you have an electric car, you could put in your own power point here and you could charge it. That nowadays is becoming even more important. So just to confirm, storage, heating, but this is vacant possession, as you can see. The owner really keen to get it sold now. So do give me a call. I'll be delighted to show you around this beautiful 1-bed property. I'd say, well, it is a family home, but it certainly would make a great investment stroke first time purchase. So do get in touch with me. And if this video has been helpful and you have got this far, do please like the video, and also do subscribe to my channel, because everything I put on the market does come on here first. So thank you for watching, and look forward to meeting you soon. All the best. Bye-bye.